So right here is the makeup brush cleaner. That's the instruction or the user manual. That's part of it. That's a piece of it. And this is the, oh, this is, so this is the jar. I think this is, yeah, this is plastic. And it has all of these little, I guess it's a makeup brush holder where you put the bottom of the makeup brush, like the stick, in these. And let me put this here. But here I have my batteries. I found these in the house. I don't know if they work, but I have these. This is the hand wash water and my container for my brush when I wash it. And here I have all the brushes on this side. Let me show you. All the brushes on this side, different size brushes. And let's see what else is in the box. What is in this thing? I'm not a makeup person, I should say. I will just buy them and use them. That is if I'm going to a special event, because I don't wear makeup on a daily. I don't wear makeup often, maybe twice for the year or 3 times at the most. I don't know, but I don't use makeup. These brushes have been used, don't judge me. I've had these brushes used since last year and I haven't touched them. So I'm like, okay, let me see how this thing works. So I think you take this out and put one battery here and here. Okay. I don't know if these batteries are okay. Let's turn it off. Let me see if these batteries are good, because it sounds kind of weak. Wait, how do we put this on? What is this? I think these go right here. What the heck am I doing? It's not. Okay. Is it supposed to? Okay. Let's try this again. Is this? Something not working right. I'm not doing it right. What's going off? Okay. So I know this fits here. But why is this not fitting properly? Okay. Let's look at the manual. So this goes here. So that little piece goes there. So this piece goes right here. Then that, then that. So I was doing it right, but why is it not going down? I don't know. It shouldn't be that hard to go down. This is giving me a fight. Okay, I think I figured it out. Let me put this on here. Everything kind of feels loose. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna pour some water in here. And a little bit of soap. There's 2 pumps. And so this is all, I don't know, it just kind of, see? I still don't know if I have it the right way, but that's what the thing says. So this piece, so this is the biggest size holder. And this is the biggest size brush that I have. So this is how it came. These little pieces. So all I did was, this thing making me sweat. But this just connects here. This is the same piece as this. I just put it in here. Take it out to show you guys. I wish these things hold as tight onto the brush, onto the spin thing. This is pretty loose. These are really tight. Okay, so this piece connects to this piece. Okay, this is how firm this should have been. This is just flimsy. It holds, but still flimsy. So this one connects here. You push it all the way down in here. There we go. Okay, so this is the bigger size. Okay. This goes in here. I don't know. So it says up and down in the liquid for 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me move these out of the way. But yeah, 5 seconds. Let's see how this works. Oh, see? This thing comes off easy. I don't know if I'm the one that put in on it right, but let me try again. I don't know what the heck am I doing wrong, but it's not staying. Okay, let's try it again. This thing is spinning out of control. Okay, I guess I probably put too much soap in there, but I'm gonna throw this out. So I pour the water out. So I'm gonna pour some fresh water in the container and clean this brush, or finish cleaning this brush. Hold on. Okay, these are my final thoughts on the makeup brush cleaner. It took a while for me to figure it out, guys. One tip that I recommend is that you read the manual. Read the manual, and then you get all the instructions there. Because it says with the wobbling, if it wobbles for, you find that it's wobbling, you gotta gently release your hand and hold it at the top. And I found that it works. And also just gently press the power button I was pressing too hard on the power button, and it works pretty well. If I'd recommend this brush cleaner, yes. You can't go wrong on the drying time, the time that it takes to dry, and also the cleanliness of it. I would advise, unlike my brushes, I had them sitting for a while, and the ones that are really dirty, the ones that I actually use, they were sitting for a while, months and months. So you can pre-soak them, and then every time you wash, you gotta change the water. And the biggest tip that I recommend is use warm water. Use warm water to wash your brushes. Every time you wash, change the water. And for rinsing, you can have clean water for the rinsing as well. But change the water for each brush that you wash. Change the water. And you can't go wrong with this brush cleaner. It's a life, especially for makeup artists. Yeah, it dries really well. If you wash your brush for the first time and it doesn't come out, you can wash it again. But the time that you take to wash it individually with your hands, you don't get that clean as you would with this little makeup brush cleaner. But yes, I would recommend this makeup brush cleaner because it cuts down on time, and it really gives brush your brushes a really good clean. And also on the drying time, the drying time is a bonus. And yes, make sure you have working batteries, because I don't think my batteries were 100% strong, because as I said, I couldn't find any, and those are the ones that I found in the house. And but it works. I would recommend this makeup brush cleaner. And as I said, my brushes are old. I'm not a makeup person, and I really use makeup, and mine, they're old. And if mine have been sitting for a while and gets this much clean, yeah, I recommend the makeup brush cleaner. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.